Alright, it's recording, and now... What? Oh, shit! Why are you waiting over there? Oh, oh, by the way, guys, that white little dot over there, that's fucking death to play. He's fucking all the way over there, that's when I shot him. And the fucking thing's still there. I'm trying to shoot him off the fucking pier thing. That's kind of a fail there, buddy. Nah, it's not really a fail, actually. It's kind of fucking funny. Alright. Elmo. Okay, okay. Hang on, here's like the shock one, so like, let me put that down. Now I'm gonna start shooting it. Elmo, did you pick it up? Elmo, did you pick it up? Did you pick up the gun? Elmo, did you get the gun? Are you moving your control? Are you, okay. Sorry, I just can't tell sometimes with your, yeah, like with your character. Sometimes I can't tell because like this game is like bad at freaking movement unless you have a gun out, you know? So it's like really screwed up. Okay, so you're over there. What the fuck are you doing? I knew this would be bad. Hey, it's Dragon Courage. Oh, this is my friend. Oh god, he's a girl too. Holy shit! At least he's a guy. At least he's a guy playing in a girl character. That'd be fucking suck. Okay, I'm gonna invite him to the party. Wait, hang on. Oh, I need to switch my fucking thing to speaker shit. God damn it. Alright, hang on. I need to be like where you can like come out the fucking speakers. Like this is. Wait, what? The truck's about to explode. Oh my god. Alright, here, dude, talk. Talk! Yes, you! Okay, well, speak louder. Here, say hello louder. Wait, hang on, you're still fucking trying to find a way up here. Are you fucking serious right now?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck!
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Why are you... Oh my god. Dude, you're an idiot. I think I'm kind of an idiot. I think I'm kind of an idiot for actually... Derp, yeah. Okay, I just found, okay, there's two up there, there's Dragano, and, Elmo up there. Whoa, Jesus Christ. I almost said Elmo twice. Ooh, that's bad. Alright, oh shit. You alive? Yes, you're alive! Holy crap! Okay. That scared the shit out of me. Turn my teeth. You're almost out of here? What do you mean? Jesus Christ, man. I want to see where you go. Hey, force on this. Holy shit! Dude, where are you? I can't. You're fucking stuck there, man. Hey, let me see if I can. Oh shit! Holy fuck! You went far, man.
Wait, do it like this. Make me go.
Oh, I need to find a electric thing to that.
Oh my god.
You fucking respawn! Oh shit, that's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna end up ending the video here. Jesus Christ. Alright. King Slim, alright. This is King Slim 885 signing off.